Hi everyone, this is SheShe coming on to share with you a Aliexpress haul from Alina craft store. I have several examples so you have like some inspiration. So I have this card right here that I made. She has this hello die that goes around in a circle. You will need a circle die if you want to make the card like I did, and then just put that hello going around. She also has some gems, and I also have used from a previous release this lace to go down with the gems. I'll show the gems at the end, but they're really pretty and sparkly. And I used some gems right here too, the smaller ones. So there's two different sizes. I'll link all the products that I've used for my examples in the description box below if you're interested. So I used that same hello die, which I really love, and I made this card right here, which is very, very sparkly. I used glitter paper in a light purple, a purple, and a green, and I think those colors go well together. So the dies I use, I already shared the hello and the butterfly. She has these layering butterflies that are really, really fun. You can use them separately, or you can use them all together, or you can just use two of them. So I'll share with you another example of how I used it. I only used two. I didn't use the final layer at the bottom. And then I used these butterflies right here. I layered them on top of the die cuts that came out, and I made this card. And then I also used some gems again to make it really sparkly. I don't know if you can tell. Hopefully you can see the gems and the little circles, but it's really pretty. So the next card I made, I did use this star from a previous release as well. She has a star background now, and it's an A2 size card, and this is what I created. Get well soon. There's a get well soon stamp set, and I'll show you the sentiments. You can pause the video or go to the website and read them. I'm sure there's a close-up view of that. But anyway, this is how my card turned out, and I think it's really pretty. I put some sparkly glitter paper for the stars, and that's how it turned out. Okay. Next I use a heart. I really love this set. I always use it for so many things, but it has a heart inside. And I use that hello die, and I replace the butterfly with the heart. And there's a heart background. So this is the next card I created, and I have glitter paper underneath. So it's nice and sparkly. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the heart background, and I made this card right here. Very simple and easy. Just clean and simple. Next, she has a treats die, and there was a previous release where she released the word sweet. So I paired them together and did sweet treats. And this is the card I created. And I have a little cupcake, and I use those gems again that are so sparkly. Really love them. Next, she has a notebook page. There's a Polaroid, a camera, the word smile, and then there's some other little border. I don't know if I can get it to, this right here is like a border. I don't know how you would use it. And then there's some like little, it's hard for me to get everything because I clipped it apart. There's a little border of circles that you can cut into the paper somewhere, or just use it for whatever. But I didn't use those circles. This is what I created. It's just a card that says smile. I put the camera in the middle of the Polaroid. If I had a chance to do it all over again, I may put the camera down here and then put like an image or something in there. But I was just trying to use everything that came in the set to give you an idea of how it looks when it's on a card. But you can definitely probably use this more so with scrapbooks. But this is how it turned out. And then the last item I didn't get a chance to use because I'm not familiar with how it goes together, so I'm going to have to play with it. But it makes a 3D type star. So you'll have to check the website. Hopefully there's someone who's done a video on how to put this together. And that's what this is. But I didn't get a chance to use it, but I hope to use it for like Christmas ornaments or something. So last things that I have to share are just some embellishments. I was asked to do a tutorial on the tassel die that was a previous release, and I ran out of the caps for the tassels. So she graciously sent me some different tassel mixture. It doesn't come like this, but there's individual links where you can purchase the tassel die as well as the caps. There's different sizes and different clips and different types of metal. So here are those gems that I shared on all the little cards that I made. They come in gold, and this looks like a bronze, and then this looks like a clear, but they're really sparkly and pretty. I got a mixture of these gems. I use them all the time. They don't come like this, they come individually, but just to give you an idea, this is a multi-pack. It's not something she sells as a multi-pack. If you want certain colors, then you'll have to pick out the colors you want to purchase. So the last items I have to share is something new. I don't have this. These are glitter sequins. So there's green, and there's this hot pink, there's blue, so pretty and sparkly, but they're glitter. And here is the silver and the gold, and then there's some bigger gems that I have to share, and they come in, it looks like a red, and when you like tilt it in the light, you can see a hint of gold. And then there's like this black, and when you tilt it in the light, you see a hint of some type of metallic silver. And then there's this turquoise, and when you tilt it in the light, it's more like a gold. So that's all I have to share. I hope you enjoyed this video and you were inspired. Again, links are in the description box below if you would like to duplicate anything I've shared today. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care and have a fabulous day.